Yo, Qhawe finds out about Mawethu and Zoleka. Hey, Zoleka is really a problem in Qhawe's life, and I don't think things will ever be normal again between her and Qhawe. So I want us to talk about that and more here on this video. But before going to it, I would like to request you guys to like the video, and if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So imagine finding out that your parent, whether it's your mom or dad, has been sleeping with your partner who is almost your age, and that nobody decided to tell you about all of that. That is betrayal most. Even worse, Mawethu gave Qhawe a promise ring. It was only fair for Zoleka to confess to Qhawe after that, but she still decided to keep quiet. You know, as I've said before, I don't think things will ever be the same again between Zoleka and Qhawe after this, but then anything can happen. This story got so many surprises after all, but if you think about it, ever since Zoleka arrived, she's been a problem to Qhawe's life. Firstly, she messed up Qhawe's family, ruined Thumeka and Hlati's marriage, and then Qhawe had to find out that she's Zoleka's child and that Thumeka is not her real mom. Now this happens. A guy whom she loves has been having sex with her mom. Insane, right? So guys, if you haven't watched Indima in the past week, well, Qhawe has been suspicious of the way that Mawethu speaks about Zoleka, but couldn't get to the whole truth. Now, I think Qhawe and Mawethu got too comfortable with each other, and Qhawe was on Mawethu's phone. So Qhawe was scrolling down Mawethu's phone, and she came across this picture. Well, she didn't really see the face, but she saw Zoleka's tattoo. Now, the main question is, will she be able to put 2 and 2 together and realize that the answer is 4? Nanuti, what is her reaction going to be after this? Is she going to confront Zoleka and Mawethu, or she'll want revenge? I guess we're going to have to keep on watching the show to find out. So comment in the comment section, ladies and gentlemen. Share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic. And if you enjoy content here in this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel if you subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.